Now that our tile is going into a shower, you can see all these white things sticking out. Those are spacers for the grout. And they come in different spacer widths depending upon how much grout you want showing. Here we have also a different type of spacer because we have one pattern here. You got our tile changes, and now we got 4 corner spacers going in. And back over on this side is our install guy. This is Paching. He's my ace #1 tile man, cutting the tiles. The mastic's already on the wall. He adds a little bit to the back, and it installs the tile. And on to the next one.